Chat, look at this very funny thing someone made in the Reddit. Who's the goose? I'm the goose. I saw this, I wanted to cry. Wait, why can't I hear it? Hello? Why does she yell like SpongeBob?
Maybe you didn't work hard enough, because to me, it looks like nothing's been done. I know what this backyard looked like. There is nothing.
Gary, you are gonna finish your dessert.
Okay.
You are gonna like it.
I don't sound like him, right? I don't sound like him. It is not the same. Okay, I don't.
Maybe you didn't work hard enough, because to me, it looks like nothing's been done. I know what this backyard looked like. There is nothing.
Gary, you are gonna finish your dessert, and you are gonna like it.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
Just resubscribed for 2 months.
I'm not SpongeBob. Okay, I don't yell like him, I promise. Exactly the same. Okay, chat, am I more like SpongeBob or am I more like Daisy? I can't be all these people at the same time. I'm Daisy and SpongeBob. Okay, because this is what Daisy sounds like. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Nintendo! Next level games!
See, I don't sound like her. This is...
Daisy! Pow! Right! Yeah! Whoa! What?
This does not sound like me.
Whoa.
No. And I hate Daisy. She's the worst. No one likes Daisy, right? Oh, poof.
Yeah!
Right? Everyone likes Peach. Ooh la la. Okay, well... You're telling me, Chad, that I've made that noise before? There's no way. I have never made that noise, okay? I am very cool, and I never, ever, exclaim like that. Because that's very unprofessional. And I'm a professional. I'm a professional streamer, okay? I'm, I can keep my cool. And I do not sound like Daisy. I freaking hate Daisy. Everyone hates her, right? Don't people hate her? I don't know. So, I'd rather be SpongeBob, I guess. But I still don't want to be Daisy or SpongeBob. I want to be Patrick. Patrick's so cute. He's so dumb and silly. So, and he's a star. SpongeBob is fine. Oh, what the fuck?